Hi, this is Joan of Art and welcome again to our Ilonggo tutorial channel. Let's learn a few words in Ilonggo. And for this episode, I thought of teaching you two special Ilonggo words that we use whenever we run out of words for a particular something. So it's important to know this because it's typical for the Ilonggos to use these two words. So these words are, drum roll, ta-dan, ano and Juan. Okay, so what is ano? Basically, it means what. Because ano is your question word for what. Ano ang ngalan mo. So, what is your name? But this time, when you can't think of anything to say, you say ano or the what. Ang ano. So if if you forget to say something or you forget what word to say, so in lieu of that, so you can say ano, or you've heard probably people say ang ano gani. So what would that be? Ano could also mean ano, whatever. So because it's what, or so whatever. So that's ano. The other word is Kwan. Kwan is your universal word that could mean anything. So it could be a noun in place of some word that you can't remember. Ang ano ni gani. So if you can't remember what the word for remote control is, say ang Kwan. Or so you can say, can you please hand me the remote? So iduhol di gani ang Kwan. So in lieu of, if you can't say it, just say Kwan. And if that thing is present, so it helps because you can address it as ang Kwan bala, ang Kwan. So this could be anything. So like, what is this? This is a Kwan na siya. Kwan na siya. That's a Kwan. That's a something. So if you can't name a pan drum or just any object, it can also be a verb. So, ginkwan ko to siya. So, you can't say it. So, use the word kwan. There's even a restaurant here that's named Kwan, but spelled differently, but it still sounds kwan, meaning something. So, it's your kind of fill in the blank word. If you can't remember the exact word, you can say kwan. Ang kwan bala. So it can be a noun, can be a verb. So it's just kwan. What's the difference between ano and kwan? So basically, I've thought about it because they're similar. You can use either ano or you can use kwan to fill in the blanks. But for me, ano sounds more serious or neutral. So if you use it, ang ano ba na? Or gin-ano mo siya? What did you do to him? Or ma-ano ka? What are you doing? What will you do? Ma-ano ko? What will I do? Ma-ano ko? So ma-what? To do what? So that's what ano means. But if you say ma-kwan ko, kwan is funnier and it could also be a little bit sexual. For example, if you can't say taboo words, so you can replace it with kwan. So nagkwan sila. So they did something, taboo. So if you can't say it, you can also say kwan. Nagkwan sila. So that's basically the difference between ano and kwan. But they are your universal words if you can't remember anything, or no, if you can't remember the right word to say, or just to be funny, or just to be ambiguous, either deliberately, advertently, or not. Just you forgot. So that's ano. Te, maano ta? So what are we going to do? Te, ano na? Ano na? ano. So what? Kwan? Makwanta. This is Kwan. This is ano this is Jonawar and Kwan. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today.